26. The speed of a vehicle is increasing at a rate of 7.3 meters per second squared. What is this rate in miles per minute squared, rounded to the nearest tenth? Use that 1 mile equals 1,609 meters. Now there's an aspect in this that I think can be a little confusing. When it says meters per second squared, this does not mean meters per second squared. It means meters per second squared. Meters per second per second. So yeah, when you're doing this conversion, anytime you're doing a rate conversion, you're wanting things to cancel out. So if I just wanted to do a straight conversion, let's say of miles to meters, if I had 50 miles and I wanted to convert that to meters, I would say, okay, 50 miles over 1. I want to multiply by a ratio where miles is on the bottom and meters is on top, so the miles cancel out. So here, 1 mile, the miles are going to cancel out, is equal to 1,609 meters. So if I do this math now, I will have meters. That is how unit conversions work. When you have multiple units in the same thing, you have to convert every single unit. So you multiply by multiple things. Okay, so I have 7.3 meters per second squared. So it's 1 second times 1 over 1 second. Okay? That I think is the easiest way, because it's second times second. 1 second squared. So to convert this, I need to multiply by, I need to convert this to get to miles per minute squared. All right, so I don't want any seconds, I want minutes squared. And I also don't want meters, I want miles. Okay, so I want the meters to cancel out. Currently there's a meter on the top over here on the left, so I'm going to put my meters over here on the bottom. 1,609 meters for every 1 mile. Then to get these seconds to disappear and to get minutes squared, I'm going to multiply by saying there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And again, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. I'm just writing ratios that are true because I want to be able to do this math and have all the unnecessary or unwanted measurement terms to be gone. So now second times a second is gone because it's second times a second up here. They've canceled out. The meter is gone because it's down here. And what am I left with? I have miles on top, miles per minute times minute, miles per minute squared. So if I multiply this, 7.3 times, I've got my 7.3 times 1 times 1 times 60, all that on top, and that is going to get me 26,280, and then on the bottom, 1 times 1 times 1,609 times 1 times 1. I divide by 1,609, and I'm going to get 16.3, and then it keeps going, but they don't want any more than the first 10th digit, so it's going to be just 16.3, which is B. Again, I think the biggest part of this is that second squared. I think a lot of students are going to multiply either not enough or too many times and get the wrong answer here, but that is the proportion I think is the easiest to understand way to set that up. I think in the answer for this one, they had it as, they did the ratio as 3,600 seconds squared is equal to 1 minute squared. I think that's what they had in the answer key, if I'm recalling correctly. I don't know. That's not a ratio that most of us have in top of our head. But I think, we've learned that 60 seconds is 1 minute, so I think it's easier to visualize that way. Your mileage may vary. I hope that was helpful. Answer is B, 16.3. Hey guys, the full insanely comprehensive SAT math prep course I've been promising for so long is live right now at mathwithalyssa.com. And of course, you can also still get the free 10-video course on SAT tips and tricks at mathwithalyssa.com as well. You also can now book one-on-one tutoring sessions with me. Links to how you can do that are in the description and the pinned comment below. And as always, if the video you just watched was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.